3D Laser Scanner High Precision Measurement NYC USA. The 3D laser scanner is a cutting-edge technology that is revolutionizing the field of high-precision measurement. With its ability to capture accurate and detailed data, this device is becoming increasingly popular in various industries, including architecture, engineering, and manufacturing. The city of New York, USA, is at the forefront of adopting this technology, with many companies and organizations using 3D laser scanners for their measurement needs. One of the key advantages of the 3D laser scanner is its ability to capture precise measurements with a high level of accuracy. Unlike traditional measurement methods, which rely on manual measurements and estimations, the laser scanner uses advanced laser technology to capture millions of data points in a matter of seconds. This not only eliminates human error but also provides a level of detail that was previously unattainable. As a result, architects can accurately measure buildings and structures, engineers can analyze complex geometries, and manufacturers can ensure the quality and precision of their products. The city of New York has embraced the use of 3D laser scanners due to its numerous benefits and applications. From capturing measurements for building renovations to conducting surveys for infrastructure projects, the laser scanner has become an essential tool for many professionals in the city. The high-precision measurement capabilities of the scanner allow for accurate documentation and analysis, leading to better decision-making and improved project outcomes. Additionally, the speed at which the scanner can capture data allows for more efficient project timelines and cost savings. Apart from New York City, the SCON design in Bangalore, India, is also utilizing 3D laser scanners for their measurement needs. As a prestigious research company, the SCON design conducts various studies and experiments that require precise measurements. The laser scanner provides them with the accuracy and detail they need to analyze their data effectively. Whether it's measuring the dimensions of a prototype or capturing topographical data for environmental research, the 3D laser scanner has proven to be an invaluable tool for the researchers at the SCON design. In conclusion, the 3D laser scanner has revolutionized high-precision measurement in cities like New York and institutions like the SCON design in Bangalore. Its ability to capture accurate and detailed data in a fast and efficient manner has made it an essential tool for various industries. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more advancements in 3D laser scanning, further enhancing its capabilities and expanding its applications. The 3D laser scanner is a state-of-the-art piece of equipment that is changing the face of ultra-precise measuring forever. This device's growing popularity can be attributed to its usefulness in a wide range of fields, including construction, manufacturing, and engineering. Many businesses and institutions in New York City, USA, are early adopters of this technology, using 3D laser scanners for a variety of measurements. The 3D laser scanner's capacity to take highly accurate measurements is one of its main selling points. The laser scanner uses cutting-edge laser technology to collect millions of data points in a flash, while more conventional techniques of measuring rely on subjective assessments. Not only does this remove the possibility of error on the part of humans, but it also makes hitherto unavailable levels of specificity available. This allows for precise measurements of buildings and structures to be taken by architects, analyses of complicated geometries to be performed by engineers, and the quality and accuracy of manufactured goods to be guaranteed by manufacturers. Since 3D laser scanners have so many practical uses, New York has embraced their use. Many urban experts now rely on laser scanners as an indispensable tool for everything from taking measurements during restorations to conducting surveys during infrastructure projects. The scanner's precise measuring capabilities provide thorough recording and analysis, which in turn facilitates more informed decision-making and more fruitful project outputs. The scanner's fast data collection speed also contributes to shorter project durations and lower overall costs. The SCON design in Bangalore, India, is another location that uses 3D laser scanners for measurement purposes. The SCON design is an esteemed research facility that performs a wide range of investigations and experiments that depend on exact measurements. The laser scanner gives them the precision and granularity of data they need for thorough analysis. The 3D laser scanner has been a lifesaver for researchers at the SCON design, who have used it for everything from taking precise measurements of prototypes to collecting topographical data for use in environmental studies. In conclusion, the 3D laser scanner has completely altered the landscape of very accurate measurements in cities like New York and research facilities like Bangalore's SCON design. Because of its speed and efficiency in collecting precise data, it has become indispensable in many fields. It is reasonable to anticipate further developments in 3D laser scanning in the future, which will increase its usefulness and broaden its possibilities. The advent of cutting-edge technologies such as the 3D laser scanner has revolutionized the field of ultra-precise measurement. Its widespread use in industries including building, manufacturing, and engineering has contributed to the device's rising fame. New York City, USA, is a leader in the use of this technology, with many businesses and institutions adopting 3D laser scanners for a wide range of measures. One of the primary selling advantages of the 3D laser scanner is its ability to obtain precise measurements. In contrast to traditional methods of measurement, which rely on subjective evaluations, the laser scanner quickly and accurately collects millions of data points using cutting-edge laser technology. This not only eliminates the margin for human mistake, but also enables hitherto unattainable granularity. That way, architects and engineers can analyze complex geometry, and manufacturers can ensure the quality and correctness of their products with pinpoint precision thanks to accurate measurements. New York has enthusiastically embraced the usage of 3D laser scanners due to its many useful applications. As a result, laser scanners are now widely used by urban professionals for anything from surveying existing structures to taking measurements during restorations. Thanks to the scanner's accurate measurement capabilities, comprehensive data can be recorded and analyzed, leading to more informed decisions and more fruitful project outcomes. The rapid pace at which the scanner collects data also helps reduce project times and expenses. Another establishment that makes use of 3D laser scanners for quantitative reasons is the SCON design in Bangalore, India. It has proven vital in many fields due to its speed and accuracy in data collection. Thanks for watching.